UK visa application from USA. Step-by-step guide to applying for a UK visa in the USA. Green card holders or US residents may be required to obtain a visa to travel to the United Kingdom depending on their country of citizenship and the purpose of travel. The UK government has established types of visas that fit every traveller based on their purpose of entry. Do US citizens need a visa for UK? To apply for a UK visa in USA, you must follow these steps. 1. Find out if you need a visa for UK. 2. Complete the online UK visa application form. 3. Book an appointment to provide biometrics. 4. Attend a visa interview. Complete the online application form. After determining whether you need to apply for a UK visa from the US, you can begin the application process. To begin the application process for a UK visa, you need to fill the online application form by submitting correct and honest information and then pay the visa application fees. If the information in the application form doesn't comply with the information in the other required documents, your application will be rejected. Compile the document file. Completed UK visa application form. 2 UK visa photographs that are taken within the past 6 months. Your valid passport. It must be valid for 3 more months beyond the date you plan to leave the UK after your trip. It must also have at least 1 blank page for the visa. A receipt that confirms you have paid the fees is required. Translations of documents that are not in English or Welsh. Proof of US status, which might be either an original alien registration card, green card, or an original US visa. Proof that you have purchased round-trip flight booking on your planned dates of travel from the US. Employment letter. This is a confirmation that you are the employee of a company which has approved your dates of the leave. Proof of accommodation in the UK. Letter of invitation for UK visa. If you are planning to stay over at friends or family members, then your host must write you a letter which includes the length of your stay, the address and also the contact information of your host among others. Hotel confirmation. If you plan to stay at a hotel instead, then a hotel booking confirmation must be submitted. Proof of means of subsistence. The applicant will have to submit proof that they are financially capable to maintain themselves during their whole stay in the UK. This includes bank statements not older than 3 days, payslips, and other types of evidence for your income as rental income, etc. If you are coming to the UK under some program that will financially support you, then you'll have to submit evidence for that. Tuberculosis test results. Nationals of several world countries will need to submit the requests of a tuberculosis test in order to be eligible for a UK visa. Check here if you need to provide the TB test results. Biometric information. If you are applying for a visa that lets you stay in the UK for more than 6 months, you will need to submit your biometric information. This includes giving your fingerprints and a digital photograph taken at the appropriate application centre. Book an appointment for biometrics. Then you will have to schedule an appointment at one of 130 application support centers, uscis, throughout the United States for biometric testing. At this appointment, you will have your digital image taken and also a digital scan of all 10 fingers. The earliest you can submit your visa application with all of the required documents is 1 or 1.5 days after, and the latest 2 weeks after biometric submission. At the appointment you should have with you, 1. Your current passport. 2. A printout of your application form. 3. A copy of your biometric confirmation receipt. Children under the age of 5 are exempt from having their fingerprints taken. Attend a visa interview at the UK Embassy in the United States. After gathering every required document, then you will have to send them to the British Consulate General in New York via mail or registered travel agent. Put your passport, application form, and the other documents in an envelope. Arrange them according to the checklist and do not staple any of them. Settlement applications. Settlement applications are done within the United Kingdom and should be submitted here. International operations and visas. 6 Millsands, Vulcan House, Sheffield, S38NH, United Kingdom. Whether your application gets approved or not, you will, however, have to provide a fully addressed prepaid electronic shipping label inside the package with your documents. Keep a copy of the waybill for your records. Types of UK visa from USA for green card holders. For green card holders, the first step towards a successful visa application is to decide what kind of visa they need to enter the United Kingdom. Before scheduling an appointment and starting to gather the required documents, check out the list of UK visa types, and try to figure out which visa fits you. A US applicant can enter the United Kingdom under one of the following visas. UK Business Visa from USA. The UK Business Visa category has been established with the sole purpose of attracting successful business people to come and invest in the UK together with their families, ranging from investors to entrepreneurs and more. To apply for these visas, the applicant must provide the following. 1. Short CV. 2. Letters of support from a UK-based organisation, institution or company. 3. Letters of recommendation from recognised experts. 4. Examples of recent significant media recognition. 5. Proof of having won international awards for excellence. 6. Proof of appearances, performances, publications or exhibitions in last 5 years. 7. A UK recognised bachelor's degree, master's degree or PhD awarded before your date of 8. Endorsement. UK Work Visa from USA. The UK Work Visa is especially for high-end professionals from other countries who wish to work and live in the UK for shorter or longer periods. To apply for a UK Work Visa from USA you must have 1. A job offer in the UK that cannot be filled by the local or the EU workforce. 2. A sponsorship letter, an employer, regional administrator, local authority who holds a valid Tier 2 sponsorship license. UK Visitor Visa from USA. The UK Transit Visa is for foreigners who are not from the EA or Switzerland, and are using the UK as a transit country to pass from another country to their destination. This visa offers the opportunity to apply for a long-term transit visa if the applicant has enough evidence that he needs to travel regularly through UK to arrive at their destination, but has no intention to stay or live there permanently. To apply for a UK transit visa in the US you must provide 1. Booked travel tickets confirmed. 2. Confirmation from travel agent. 3. Document to confirm being permitted to enter the other country. 4. Visa for the other country, if required. 5. Document to confirm being permitted to enter the other country. 6. Documents to confirm the reason for travelling to the other country. UK Family Visa from USA. The UK Family Visa's type is for people who have family members working and living in the UK and want to join them for more than 6 months, as their dependents. The dependents can be husband or wife, spouse, partner, fiancé or proposed civil partner, children, parents, other family members. UK Student Visa from USA. The UK student visas are issued to prospective students that plan on enrolling in UK educational institutions, such as universities and schools. To apply for a student visa you must provide the following. 1. Parents or legal guardian letters, if under 18. 2. Criminal record certificate. 3. A valid academic technology approval scheme, ATAS, clearance certificate issued by the Foreign and the Commonwealth Office, the Department of the Counter-Proliferation Department. 4. Confirmation letter from the official financial sponsor, temporary visa for refugees and stateless persons in USA. Eligible for this visa are only the people who are about to enter in the UK and are at the borders because had to leave their country as their life was seriously threatened. The application for this visa is made from within the UK. To apply for such a visa, you must provide the following documents. 1. Registration with the police registration certificate. 2. Birth certificate. 3. Marriage certificate. 4. Education certificate. 5. Medical documents, if suffering from any medical condition. 6. Documents to confirm the home address in the UK,